Imagine a parrot that forgot how to fly. No wings slicing through the sky, no graceful escape. Just silence. Deep in the ancient forests of New Zealand, where the night feels alive, and the shadows move, lives a creature so rare, most people will never see it. The kakapo. A bird that chose a different path. It doesn't fly. It climbs. It walks. It waits. By day, it disappears, blending perfectly into the green world around it. But when the sun falls, the forest begins to whisper. And that's when it awakens. With soft, almost like a ghost, it moves through the darkness. Its face, strangely familiar. Like an owl, watching you. Studying you. But this bird isn't a hunter. It's a survivor. Of time, of change, of near extinction. Once, there were thousands, echoing through these forests. Now, only a fragile few remain. And yet, every year, something incredible happens. The males begin to call. Not with a song, but with a deep, resonating boom. Low, powerful, almost unreal. The sound travels for miles, rolling through valleys, shaking the stillness of the night. It's not just a call. It's a signal. A hope. A final attempt to be heard. In a world that nearly forgot them. The kakapo doesn't rush. It doesn't fight. It endures. Every step, every call, every breath is a reminder that even the strangest creatures have a place in this world. And maybe, just maybe, that's what makes it unforgettable.